good morning students. Today I am here by taking a new topic concerning with your NEET examination, state board examination and CBSE board examination, and that is what the blood circulation. Here we will see how the circulation of blood is occurring. In this, the first and peculiar thing is that what are the key constituents or component of the blood. So if I talk about the constituents of blood, there are the two type of constituents which are very essential in the blood, that is what the cells and the plasma. So here we will see what are the cells which are present into the blood and participating in it, and what are the plasma constituents. So here is the three type of cells. What are these? Erythrocytes, leukocytes and platelets. What are these? Erythrocytes, leukocytes and platelets. Erythrocytes, another name is what? The RBC or red blood cells. These cells are very much important as far as the transportation of oxygen is associated, and oxygen is playing a very important role in the respiratory process. So these are the cells which are associated with the respiratory process. Okay, next we talk about the leukocyte. Leukocytes, another name is what? The WBC or white blood cells. These cells plays a very important role into the defense mechanism of an organism. Okay, next is third type of cells are what? The platelets. These cells play a very important role into the coagulation of the blood. So it's all about the cells which are present into the blood. Next we come to the point in which we are talking about the plasma. Plasma is made up of certain constituents. In that, first is what? The water. Water is making what? The 93% part of the plasma. Besides it, some proteins are also present in this. What are these proteins? Albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. What are these proteins? Albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Okay, every protein function we will see later on. Next we talk about the others inorganic and organic solutes which are also present into the plasma. Let's see what are the peculiar function of this particular plasma. So if we talk about the plasma, it is having the inorganic and organic solutes which are dissolved into the water. Next we talk about that it is having a specific straw color. Okay, so plasma is having what color? Straw color. Why our plasma is having a straw color? Because of the presence of a particular pigment known as what? The bilirubin. Bilirubin is the key pigment which gives a particular straw color to your plasma. Next we talk about the presence of different protein. So here three types of proteins are present. These can be what? The albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. What are these? Albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Albumin is what? Albumin is the most abundant protein and it is synthesized by the liver. And what is the key function of this albumin? Just to transport any hydrophobic substance into the blood. So it is assisting into the transportation. Next we talk about the globulin. Globulin is again synthesized by the liver cell. Okay, globulin is again synthesized by the liver cell, and the key globulin proteins are what? Your hemoglobin and immunoglobulin. Okay, next we talk about the fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is again synthesized by the liver cells and plays a very important role as far as the coagulation of blood is associated. One question can be asked here is what? That the size of particular plasma protein. So we can say that in these three proteins, the largest one is what? The fibrinogen. Next we talk about the globulin, and albumin is the smallest in size. Okay, remember this thing. Next we talk about the plasma. What actually the meaning of plasma? If we remove all these cells from the blood, so whatsoever the remaining constituent is present is known as what? The plasma. And what is the serum? If we remove fibrinogen from this plasma, we say it what? A serum. Okay, so it is certain information which is related to the blood. The whatsoever the point I have touched over here are most frequent points from where a question can be asked, specifically when we talk about the plasma protein. So always remember students that the plasma proteins names, okay, their size, their synthesis and their function is very important as far as the competition is concerned. Next is about the name of particular cells. We will see or discuss these all cells in detail in our later on videos, but here we have discussed about their names and a key function which are associated with these. So it's all about the blood and cells and plasma, and I hope you guys understood it. Guys, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.